We don't need your help, Blackjack. Move on, Blackjack. Move on. Move on. Get up in your area. Cat, go up there. Come on. Move on. I can hear Naggy all the way here in the barn. I guess that's where her name is Magpie. I'll feed you guys in a minute. That one udder still looks pretty darn big. Ooh. I think I might take a little bit of colostrum off that one so they can get it in there easier and release some of it. By no way, shape, or form am I a goat expert. This is our first kidding experience. Now, when I was a kid, myself, a human child, I did have a goat. Now, I was a human child. I was about 3. I was milking it here and there with my parents' help. Sometimes I would go get the milking bucket and go try to milk it myself because I was Miss Independent and sassy like that. Her name was Rena. And I believe my parents had a couple goats before that. A buck, I think his name was Eddie. I'd say my parents were hippie-ish, homesteader style is probably what I would call them. When I was a young child, I was born in 73. Now you can see that she did not care for the cat. Her being Bambi, the doe, did not care for the cat being in there because the cat was coming up to her udder and was going to try to get milk. Now Margie, our livestock guardian dog / guardian dog, will come in there and she will clean the baby kids, and she will also clean our doeling Bambi, the mama, and clean up goat poop and placenta and that kind of stuff. Mama Bambi is completely fine with Marge being in there. Yes, you are. You're completely fine with Marge being in there. Margie is no threat to them, and Bambi knows that. They have a mutual respect for each other. Bambi came to us, I believe it was right about the middle of October 2024. Margie is about 3 years old, and this is the first time that we have had goats with her. Sorry, you guys can't see it. The little tiny doeling is going over to Margie and going underneath her and looking to see if she has an udder, to see if she can milk off of Margie. It was pretty darn cute. That's the second time I've seen her do it. Here she comes up to her mama Bambi right now. The doeling, you can't really see any brown on her. That's her right there underneath mama. And the buckling has some brown on him. He is on the, I believe, right side of the screen. What I like about Margie is she'll clean a little bit and then she'll move on. She doesn't get obsessive compulsive about cleaning or licking, you know. I've seen some dogs just kind of get obsessed on the situation. But she just kind of cleans a little bit here and there, almost kind of to stimulate, and then she moves on. Are you going to clean the buckling? Margie is a Tibetan mastiff. She is spayed. I will not be breeding her. I think there's enough people in the world that do breeding, and I am not going to be a dog breeder. I shouldn't say I am not going to be a dog breeder. At this time in my life, in this time in the world, I have no plans on being a dog breeder, and Margie is spayed. Hey, Bambi. Yeah, you are a good mama, huh? I think your buckling's going to be a little spunky, huh? Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to wrap things up here, or I am never going to get any of my projects done in the house. I did not get to work on my lard yesterday, so I am going to go get in to the house and get a working. Yep, once again, she does not like that cat in there. Blackjack, you need to move on. Thank you again for... Yes, let's see if Emily can find her words. Thank you again for joining us at Round Butte Kuni Kuni Ranch. If you have any suggestions for names for this buckling in doeling, please leave it down below in the comments. Hey, Mama.